Hi guys, hope you're all doing great. It's another weekend and I'm back on your screen. So it was this week was just a very silent week for me. Yeah, I took a couple of losses and one win. Yeah, well that win was on pound USD on my 5k account because I don't want to be trading the 5k and 25k account together. Yeah, so I on the 25k accounts, man, it's been just unexpected. It's not been going the way I expected on 25k accounts. And I still have the accounts, but I'm just the way gold has been moving is just not confident. It doesn't give me confidence to take trades, and maybe it's because it's just a one-way direction to the upside. I don't even know, but I just have this lack of confidence. There is a trade I should have taken on gold on Tuesday or Wednesday, which I didn't, and that trade went over 4, 5, 6, even 6 hours. That trade would have been a very strong shock absorber for my account. Yeah, but I didn't take that trade, and I didn't think it would make that move, especially after that kind of deep retracement it did. I didn't think it would make that move, but it did, and it was just not. It was just sad I didn't take the trade. Yeah, then on my 5k account, I took one trade early in the week, and was it this week? I think it was this week. Yeah, and I was up by I think 20 something dollars, and I was like, okay, let me take one more trade at least to beef it up a bit so that I can get a payout on. I think my payout date is on Tuesday. And I took another trade on it, and that trade hit loss. So now I'm just slightly below, slightly in drawdown, I should say. It's not up to 1% drawdown. Yeah, but I think I should be able to take one good trade on Monday or Tuesday and get a payout from the account. I really, really wish so. So it's just, I didn't really do much this week. That's just it. And it's because of the way the market has been presenting itself. It's not been the way I like to trade. Yeah, so and that's the reason why I didn't really do much this week. Yeah, so that being said, I'll just go into my Fundednext account and show you the how my accounts are doing. All right, so this is my Fundednext account, and right away you can see my 25k account. This is the Bogo 25k account, and this is the funded 25k account, and this is the funded 5k account. Yeah, so out of all of them, the 5k account is one that is looking a lot healthy. Yeah, because it's just less than 1% down. So if I get one good trade, I can get a payout on this account next week. While this one is really down because this is 22,999 and I have up to 22,500 before I can lose this account. So that's 2% buffer I have on this account because at 500 $22,500 I will lose this account. So I have lost 8% of this account. I have 2% to go, and I don't know if I should be able to. I should be able to, but just that the market condition has not really been favorable for me. Yeah, but that's it. While this other one is 23,463, and that means I have lost 6% of these accounts, and I have about 4.4% or thereabouts on this account before I lose it. So there's still a bit of buffer on this. I've been going gradually on it, and hopefully I will be able to get this account back in profit. And my 5k account is still there, 4977. So that's not too much. I can recover this account and get a payout from the account. In fact, let me even go into this account. I think the payout date is on Tuesday or Wednesday. So this is the account, and let's payout. Okay, you can see here 0.44, so very, very minimal loss on this account. Not even 0.5%. And the payout date is on 8th of October, which is Wednesday. Okay. So I have Monday and Tuesday to see if I can get something out of this account. So I don't like, well, sometimes it's usually good when it's like this because the moment you get something out, you get your payout. You don't have to wait. You don't have to be tempted to take any trade, nothing. Just get your payout. So I'm really, really hopeful that I can get a good trade on Monday or Tuesday and then get a payout from this account. Okay, so that's it for my account. Let me go into my trading view account and show you the trades I took. I'll start with gold. So this is gold, and where's Monday? This is Monday, and I didn't take any trade on Monday. Yeah, but now it's looking I don't know what's going on. It's looking like the setup was good on Monday. Okay, no, it wasn't, because at this time this is 11 a.m. and if I wanted to take a trade on this account, this is the kind of trader, this is where I want to trade from, and this is at 2 p.m. Yeah, I still should have taken this trade though, and it won't have given me my desired profit, but at least I would have gotten something tangible out of it. So I don't even know, maybe I don't even know why I didn't take this trade. Maybe I need to relax, maybe I'm getting carried away or very busy or something. Then this is what I was talking about. This trade, I after this deep pullback, I was thinking that it will just make a small retracement, maybe to this level, and then make another fall to the downside. So when I got this big stop loss region, it wasn't going to give me a good. This is what I would have been targeting. It wasn't going to give me the kind of risk to reward that I wanted. In fact, I didn't even think that the market would get to this height. I was thinking maybe somewhere around here. So I wanted a pullback on this trade. Actually, that's just it. I wanted to get a pullback on it before I enter. Unfortunately, the pullback didn't come. Let me see. Yeah, so this is it. I wanted a pullback on this trade because here we see that it has broken above this structure here, this resistance. Then this red candle you see is the only pullback it gave. This red candle you see here is the only pullback he gave, and that was the only reason why I missed this trade. It was very sad. Had it been made another pullback to this level, then definitely I would have been in this trade. But he didn't, and that was how I missed out on this trade. But this would have been a very, very solid trade to cushion my recent losses. So right, so then on Wednesday, I saw this opportunity again, and this time there was a break above this resistance level. And then on this pullback to this level, I wanted to get in, I wanted to buy, which I did. And this one took me, I got into the trade quite alright. Let me see. Okay. Yes, so I got into the trade here because here on 5 minutes, you can see a clear break of this level again to the upside. And this gave me the kind of pullback I wanted. You can see these wicks inside the red bar. You can see these wicks, the first one, the second one. These are the kind of pullbacks I was talking about I wanted before getting to this trade. I don't want to enter at the break here because then the risk to reward very low. So he gave me a pullback and I started going, and next thing this wicked red candle just came and took me out as stop loss. And that was how I lost out of this trade. So those are the only two trades I took on gold this week. On this is Thursday. On Thursday I didn't take a trade, and maybe it's just because I wasn't so sure of what was going on, because this looks like, okay, this is 7:45 a.m. Maybe I wasn't even out of bed at this time. Yeah, because this would have been a good trade. Or I think the reason why I didn't take it is because let me put a line here. Because normally I want to see stop loss taking, like I've always said. And I had this line from this previous one. This trade didn't should have I wanted it to break below here first. Take this stop loss before I enter the trade, and that was what I was waiting for. And the reason why I lost out, I didn't take this trade. Yeah, so that was the reason why I didn't take this trade. This would have been a good trade as well. So you can see missed opportunities everywhere. Then on Friday, it was only NFP that made me not take this trade. I thought there would be NFP, and there was tentative on the NFP release, but it didn't come, and that was how I missed out. This is exactly what I was. Okay, I think it's a good example. So I marked this level, wanted the price to take this place out, this stop loss is around here out before I trade, but it didn't get there. But look at what happened here. There was one here, and it took this one out and started going. So that was exactly what I wanted to happen here as well. Yeah, good examples. That's what I wanted to happen. What happened here? What happened here is what I wanted to happen here before I entered the trade. Yeah, so I should have taken this one, but for NFP, this is just around the NFP time. This is 12:30, so I didn't take it, and it actually went in my direction and could have been a good trade. So those are what I had on gold this week. Then on pound USD for my 5K account. Sorry about that. So for pound USD on my 5K account, yeah, I got this good trade, but I really just came out at my 2 hour profit, but it just came very close and started pulling back, and I had to come out at 1 hour. And that was how I didn't secure a payout with this trade. Then I think that was the only trade I took on pound USD this week. Then on pound card as well, yeah, pound card and pound USD are very correlated. So this is Thursday, and we had this move to the upside. We had this first one, and then on pull back to this level. Then I was ready to take a trade, which I did take, and it was going in my direction again, and then just came back and took me out of stop loss. So those were the trades I took on my 5K account, and the 5K account is there. I'm hoping that by next week by Monday or Tuesday, I can take a trade and get a payout on that 5K account. I'm really, really positive about it, and let's see if it's going to happen. So those are the trades I took this week. The week it looks slow for me, but looking at this review again, I'm thinking that it shouldn't have been slow. Maybe I was just dealing with uncertainty, high level of uncertainty, especially within that gold area because of the continuous bullish move. But it's all right. Next week we go again. That's always the word of a trader. We go again next week, and I hope that I'll be able to get something out. I'll be starting with my 5K account because I want to see if I can get a payout by Wednesday, and I hope I do. If I get one trade, 2 hour trade, that will put me at I think $70 or $80 in profit, and I'll just hands off there. I won't take any trade again on that account. I really hope that comes. Alright guys, so that's it for me this week. If you enjoyed this analysis, if you're enjoying my videos, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.